Well, good morning YouTube. Woohoo! Biking season's back on now, so we're off out for a little ride. Going to pick up an old friend of mine called Christian. He's got a brand new Kawasaki 1000 Versys. So we're going to go over to see Sean over the Humber Bridge. Mike's not coming today because he's still got jet lag from coming back from Mallorca on Thursday. So yeah, we're just going up to pick Christian up, and then we'll make our way. So I'll start recording again when we leave his house, and then we'll make our way. And it's going to be a warm day. It's a really windy, about 40-mile-an-hour winds. So hopefully we shouldn't get blown off our bikes. It should be a bit airy going over the Humber Bridge though. But yeah, looking forward to it. Been a long time coming. Okay, we'll see you in a bit, my friends. Bye bye. Right, YouTube, we're on our way to the Humber Bridge. Christian's behind me. I think he's camera shy. I really do. But yeah, we're going to enjoy today, hopefully. We haven't really done a lot since the last video, which was the NEC. Too cold to ride the bikes then, so. But we'll see if I can get Christian to come past. I'll see if I can wave him past so I can video him on his new bike. Yeah, here he comes. So this is Christian with his new Kawasaki. Awesome, absolutely awesome. Bikes are the best thing in the world, people. Look at that, look, brand new. 24 plate. I think he's had it about 2 weeks, and he's got a service I think next Saturday, and he's got to get the miles in for his first service. So yeah, awesome. I haven't seen him since Cadwell 2 years ago when he had a monkey bike of all things, and yeah, I think he just did it for a lap, but yeah, it was really funny. So we rode back from Cadwell, and I had to stick to the speed limits because his bike would only do like sort of 65, 70. It's only a 125 monkey bike, but yeah, we had a laugh, we had some fun, so that's what it's all about, people. It's all about having some fun, yeah. Right, I'll see you in a bit. So when we get to the other side of the Humber Bridge, we're not off to Sean's house, we're going to meet him at a small industrial estate not far from the Humber Bridge. He's on his latest Ducati. He's still got one that he's going to be selling soon, but he's just had a very expensive paint job done on this Ducati, and I've seen the pictures he sent me and it looks absolutely awesome. So I can't wait to see it in the flesh, really. Should be really good. So here we are, the other side of the bridge. We lost Christian, but we turned around the roundabout and he's pulled up. Sensible thing to do, and we found him. So this is Sean's new paint job on his Ducati 1260 Diavel, or Diavel. It's a very nice paint job. Very smart. And this is a close-up of Christian's new Kawasaki 1000 Versys. Very nice. Big bike. Yeah, spot on. So we're just going to have a little 5 minutes here, and then I think we're off our way to see what he's up to do all day breakfast because it's a little bit late. So yeah, if not, we'll have to have a roast beef dinner or something like that. Alright, see you in a bit, bye bye. So now we're all met up now and had a little break, and then back on the bikes, and we're off to Seaways Cafe. We found Christian in the end. He did the sensible thing like bikers should do, and he stopped on just off a roundabout, and we turned around and there he was, so we didn't lose him. So happy days. So here we are, Seaways Cafe. Hope we're still in time for breakfast. There's quite a few bikes here. Where we're going to park it. sunny Bridlington. So, hello.
Hello.
You can't
I'm going to wipe him down now.
If you don't want to be on camera, you're hiding something.
Where are we?
Where are we, Sean? Bridge! Is that brick or bridge?
Where's the seagull? Michael Scratch pushed his eyes out now.
What?
He's absolutely will enough to scratch his eyes out. Taking his place.
Yeah.
He won't come tonight after tea for his bike. I guarantee he won't come.
No.
Yeah. Even though I've offered.
Do you reckon he'll watch this video?
Huh?
Do you reckon he'll watch this video?
Hey up. Nearly gonna. That was your dinner?
Yeah.
Let's watch Pirates of the Caribbean soon. I have no idea. Hello there, YouTube. Right, we've come over the Humber Bridge now, and Christian's going to get some fuel, and then we're heading back home. So we've had a good day out. A bit windy, but it didn't rain, so that's the main thing, really. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. And yeah, happy riding, people. Bye bye. Well, hi there, everyone. Thanks for watching our first video of 2024. I apologise, it was a short one. We set off a little bit later to avoid the rain. If you want to add any messages, please leave it in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. Take care out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.